Do you want my honest opinion of Atlas protein bars? Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and today's video is my honest review of Atlas protein bars. Over the past 2 years, I've tried tons of protein bars. Tons and tons and tons have been shipped to me to try, to sample, to see if I like them, and they've ended up this way. And most of them have ended up in the garbage because of their crap. Yes, my friends, most of them have ended up in the garbage until today. Today, I'm gonna do my honest, totally out of integrity, authenticity review of Atlas protein bars. And as always, with my integrity clause with any sponsored videos, I do give my honest opinion and authenticity of my pros and cons. Thank you, Atlas, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's dive into the content of what I really think of Atlas protein bars. So number one, I talk on this channel a lot about royal weight loss meeting real life, and that keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. And with that royal weight loss meeting real life component, I live an enriched lifestyle like you do. And sometimes it's not possible to make foods, although I have over 400 videos on YouTube of how to make Instapot meals, crock pot meals, keto meals from scratch, from home. I have been searching, quite frankly, to find some sort of meal replacement when I'm busy, when I'm traveling with our foster mentee, or traveling for my business. I wanted to have a protein bar that I felt good, that was in alignment with my values and met certain standards that I could use from the on-the-go lifestyle. So for Atlas protein bars, they sent me this whole box, and I have been sampling them. They're different flavors. And I've found that I actually really enjoy them. So first component of this review is taste. What do I think of the taste of the Atlas bars? I actually like the taste. Most protein bars that I have tried have a disgusting aftertaste, or it says it's going to be something and it tastes like nastiness. These have actually been surprisingly amazing tasting. I really like the different tastes that they've had. They sent me the chocolate cacao. I feel like I say that wrong. Cacao. Chocolate cacao, peanut butter chocolate chip. I also got a vanilla almond chai, an almond chocolate chip. My little boy has really enjoyed these. His favorite has been the chocolate chip ones, of course. So I've enjoyed trying this mixed assortment of these. And so the first quality that I look for in a product is the taste of it. So tastes good, check. That gets my 5 crowns out of 1 to 5 crowns on my Countess reviews. So number 2 is honest ingredients, and that could easily be number 1, is what do the ingredients say? So when I flip over the bar, what is on the back of there? And I was pleasantly surprised to find that they use grass-fed whey protein. Hello, grass-fed, like that's the foundation of keto, of having a grass-fed product and not having some sort of byproduct that's pumped with disgusting things into it. So I like that it was grass-fed. I also like that it was made out of almond butter, no GMO, tapioca fiber, that it had ingredients, clean ingredients that I felt really comfortable trying and eating for my on-the-go lifestyle. Hey buddy, it's time to go. Go ahead and grab your coat. Not forgetting my Atlas bar. The second thing that I was looking for a protein bar was to help me with my workouts. Many of y'all know I've been lifting. I've been really trying to up my lifting game. And with these, I was looking for good macros on the back for a protein bar that would fit in well for recovery after workout or to help with endurance prior to a workout. I've tried using Atlas protein bars both ways, before my workout and after my workout, to see if there was one way that worked better. I didn't really find any difference betwixt the two of those, and yes, betwixt is a word, but I did find that I felt like I had more energy during my workout, and after my workout, I knew that if I had it after, either I'd pick before or after, not both. But afterwards, I felt very satiated. I felt not dragged down. I still felt very energetic, but I felt like my muscles were rebuilding from it. So the components that I liked were the macros that helped with my lifting schedule. So the chocolate cacao has in it, in terms of the macros for it, it has 15 grams of protein, 11 grams of fat. So there's 22 carbs in it, or if you do net carbs, it's 11 net carbs for it. I don't take out the sugar alcohols, or it says sugars, or the vegetable glycerin in there. Am I saying that right? Glycerin. I don't take those out. So my net carbage is a little bit different than the front of the packaging on it, but it's still, for me, for a meal replacement to have 11 net carbs for something that's so filling and tastes so good, I'm in on it. For my macros, it gets my seal of approval. For a meal replacement, 11 net carbs is good in my book as it's a full meal for me. This is not a snack. I am not using this as a snack. I'm using it as a meal replacement, or I'm using it as to help supplement my workout. In terms of ingredients, I also liked for the grass-fed component of the Atlas protein bars was that they were grass-fed cattle, that they weren't injected with a ton of hormones for the grass-fed cattle that they're using for the whey protein. That for me was a super extra check mark that they were grass-fed cattle being used. The next component that I really liked in the ingredients is that it talked about being environmentally sustainable. I've talked about that previously on my channel before, that that's important for myself, that I really do try, again, progress, not perfection, but try to look out for products that are environmentally sustainable, meaning that they're using pasture-raised cattle, and so it helps with the soil, it's helping be environmentally sustainable, which adds to another check mark for Atlas protein bars. Again, and I've been approached by literally 20 different protein bars, and I have not seen any of them talk about being environmentally sustainable, grass-fed whey, but also using monk fruit as part of their ingredients. Their ingredients I like are a clean keto basis to help me on the keto diet when I'm looking for a meal replacement that's quick, that's easy, that's simple, that I can just pop into my pocketbook when I'm on the go. And my honest review of the Atlas protein bars was comparison with other brands. So this study was done on May 2019. That's the data that's being done, and it's being used with RX bars, Quest bars, One bars, and Perfect bars. And Atlas got a 4.4 stars. High, it was the total ranking for it on Amazon, which was higher than the rest of the other protein bars being monitored against. It did get, in terms of ratings, organic, all natural, no GMOs, gluten-free, soy-free, and keto-friendly, whereas some of these other products didn't hit all of those check marks. I do like the flavor options that have been included as I'm digging through my box over here. I do like that there's multiple different flavors. They're creative flavors. I've had some that are just like chocolate, brownie, or you know what I mean? Like, I like that these are peanut butter raspberry, vanilla almond chai, almond chocolate chip, that the flavoring in it is really good too. And that makes me happy that I can feed my son these as well and not feel weird about and not tasting good, or he liked these as well in addition to myself. So the next component in this review is using adaptogens. I'm not super familiar of adaptogens, but the more I know, the more I want to know about what an adaptogen is and what it's doing. Adaptogens are high performance superfoods that help with immune boosting and hormone balancing properties that help boost strength, vitality, and vigor. I want some more vigor. How about you? So I like that this is using adaptogens in the product. In addition to the clean ingredients, when I saw that there was pink Himalayan salt as part of the ingredients, I gasped. I clutched my pearls. They used pink Himalayan salt as part of the ingredients. When you zoom in on the back, it really was very inspiring to me that I knew that they took great detail of putting each ingredient into Atlas protein bars to help come up with a good product that's environmentally sustainable, that's organic, that has grass-fed products, the grass-fed whey protein in it, that it's taking off the boxes that I find important on the keto lifestyle. And also that they're using the adaptogens superfood performance ingredients too. So the check marks in terms of ingredients are grass-fed, organic products, monk fruit, the adaptogens, pink Himalayan salt. I mean, it just continues to come with all these different ingredients. And that's one of the main areas that the other protein bars I've looked at don't have, that they don't use clean keto ingredients, that I feasibly couldn't recommend this to any of my viewers or for myself to use because of the ingredients that they had within it. And literally, I just finished a workout earlier, so I'm gonna go ahead and have some. Sometimes I find that I don't eat the whole thing. As I stuff my face with the whole thing. I don't eat the whole thing because I get full off of it. Tastes really good, and I feel very comfortable recommending this to other people. Y'all, look at that chocolate chip. Look at that chocolate chip. Let's talk about ingredients. Look at that chocolate chip. That is a big chocolate chip mother. That was really good. Oh my God. Can I keep licking it? It's so delicious. So the one con that I found was I do usually have, my breath gets weird after these. I think it's just me. It probably isn't anyone else, but something to note is that I get stinky breath after having protein bars. But usually after a workout, I'm sweaty and stinky, and then gross breath afterwards. It makes for a perfect package. So overall, I would give this product in terms of my Countess Crown rating a 4.9. Atlas Bars has graciously given a trial pack discount of 3 bars for $5 with free shipping included in it. If you're interested in trying their delicious flavors, they have a ton of new flavors coming out and their existing flavors are incredible. I would not do this video unless I felt integrity that it was a good product and beneficial for you, the viewer. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and go ahead down below in the description and get that 3-pack trial size for $5 with the free shipping. You won't be disappointed. I certainly wasn't. Make it a powerful day. Bye, friends.